Have you solved?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us see the example based on 4 variable POS form K-map. Okay. So now you can see this is the example. Find Boolean equation and implement the following functions using 4 variable K-map or using K-map. The function is given as f of ABCD is equal to pi of capital M 3, 4, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So as it is a pi and capital M, you will come to know that it is a POS variable K-map or POS form K-map. Okay. So obviously whatever the terms are mentioned in the equation at that particular terms or at that particular positions, you have to mark 0. तो कहाँ पे 0 आएगा? Where the 0 will come? The 0 will come at 3.
3,
Okay. Then
4,
at 4.
6,
At 6.
7,
Okay. Then 7. Correct.
12, 13,
Then
15, 10,
11 is there. Okay. Then
and
12,
12.
13.
14, 15.
14 as well as 15. So 15 is there and 14 is there. Okay. So here are the places where we are marking zeros. Okay. Now we are going to combine these 0 values in the form of either quad or octet. Okay. So let us see how we can quad or octet or pair. So first of all, what is our first choice always? We have to see whether we can able to form an octet or not. Okay. So first of all, tell me, is there any octet possible to form?
No, ma'am.
No. Octet is not possible because here we cannot find the adjacent zeros at 8 places. Okay. बाकी जो places है वहाँ पे सब जगह पे 1 1 आएगा. ठीक है. तो ऐसा कोई भी ये नहीं है जहाँ पे we have a 8 zeros combined. Okay. So obviously we have to go for what? We have to go for quad only. Okay.
Quad.
So we have to go for quad. So
Yes,
quad में क्या क्या आएगा देखो.
12, 13,
Here.
15, 14.
7,
Yes.
15,
This will be one quad. Okay, which will be
3,
formed
7,
like this.
15,
3,
11.
5, 15, 11.
Yes, and another quad will be 3, 7, 15, 11. What
Yes.
about the
And
rest
4
of the?
and 6 are rolling. 4 and 6.
Yes. Yes.
4 and 6 are the rolling pairs.
Okay, 4 and 6 will be the rolling pair. But one thing you can see here, instead of forming pair, if I form a quad like this, one variable will get eliminated. Are you getting my point here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So obviously, if you form a quad, means our most of the time, what you have to think about, ki whether you are able to form a octet or a quad and then go for a pair. So here, as though this 12 number and 14 number term is being used, but it can be utilized one more time for this formation of quad. That way we can eliminate one more variable. Okay. And therefore, it will be easy to make them a quad instead of making them a pair. Okay. It will simplify the equation more. Okay. And therefore, once you form this particular quad also, that will give you a one more equation of 2 term only, or one term which is having only 2 variables. Are you getting my point here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So now
Yes,
tell me what will be the equations for each of this.
A complement plus B complement.
Yes, this will be the equation for this quad only. Okay. What about
Then
this?
C complement plus D
C
complement.
complements
Complement
plus
plus
D
D
complement.
complement will be the other equation. And what
Then
about
C
this rolling
complement,
wala?
B complement plus D.
B complement plus D.
Here the B complement is common and D is common for this. So B complement plus D. Okay. So this is the way how you can make the quad out of it. And this is what your equation, final equation. That is A complement plus B complement, C complement plus D complement into B complement plus D. Is that fine? Is that okay?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. So this is the way how you can form a quad and you can solve the K-map equation and you can simplify it, and further you can implement it also. So let us see how to implement it. Okay. इसका एक implementation हम लोग देखते हैं. So in this particular implementation, you can see each variable is coming in its complemented as well as uncomplemented form. या अदर कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड फॉर्म में है सभी वेरिएबल्स. तो इसको देखो कैसे किस तरह से हम लोग ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं सर्किट. सो वी हैव 4 वेरिएबल्स. सो लेट अस कंसिडर 4 लाइंस इन दिस मैनर. ओके.
Ma'am,
And
make 5 lines.
yes, what happened?
Make 5 lines
No.
because there is one D also.
Yeah, A, B, C, D. No, only 4 variables are there.
Only fair.
Variables are 4. Okay.
हाँ ते
And
बरोबर आहे.
yes, but see, every variable is having in a complemented and uncomplemented form. So we
Yes.
are considering this as A, okay, or we are just considering here a NOT gate line, जैसे हमने पहले भी किया था, if you remember, okay, and we will have a complemented line for this, okay, in this manner,
Yes.
okay. In the same way we have for B. इसको अभी मैं I will draw it like this only. Complement है करके आप अंडरस्टैंड कर लो. ओके, इट इज कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड फॉर्म. ठीक है, इन दिस वे. ये है B. ओके, दिस विल बी C and this will be D. Okay, and its complements are shown in a red color. You can see, understand that. Okay, now let us see what are the equations. So we have to take only 3 OR gates क्योंकि हमारे 3 ही terms है. Okay, so we'll take 3 OR gates like this. Okay, and what are the combinations? A complement and B complement. So let us connect first OR gate to A complement and B complement. Sorry, A complement plus B complement. Okay, then what is the next? C complement and D complement. So let us connect C complement and D complement. You can see the connection. I have connected it at the red lines only.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
then the last one is B complement plus D. So let us consider B complement first and then D. Okay, इस तरह से this will come, and now you can AND it together by drawing a AND gate at the end. Okay, so here I can draw an AND gate. Is that okay? So this is what the implementation of this particular equation. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So this is the way how you can implement the equation. Okay.
Yes.
So let us